Leveraging Earth observation data, the Smithsonian's new open access initiative, the most common cloud spend pitfalls, and more. This is the brief for February 2020. Hi, and welcome to The Brief, a recap of the best cloud stories for government, education, nonprofits, and healthcare. I'm Sarah Worley from AWS's We Power Tech. Here are your top stories from the AWS Public Sector blog from February 2020. We start in outer space. Millions of satellites take photos of the Earth's surface every day. A decade ago, this might have seemed like science fiction. But now, Earth observation data is available and being used by customers in cool ways. Tech startup Greenspin combines data, AI, and spatial web applications to make agricultural systems transparent and sustainable for farmers. Blue Dot Observatory uses open source data to keep an eye on our planet's water resources. Discover more stories like these and find out how you can get started today with Earth observation data in our blog post. Speaking of open data, what could you do with 2.8 million image and research files from one of the world's most famous museum and research institutions? The Smithsonian Open Access Initiative has released high-res media and research files to the public for learning, discovery, and creative use. This is the largest museum collection publicly released to date, and it's open to anyone to check out at any time. Read our blog post on the Smithsonian Open Access Initiative for more information. And while we're on the subject of research, the IDC named AWS a leader in Internet of Things for smart cities in their recent IDC MarketScape Vendor Assessment Report. The IDC found AWS to offer the broadest set of solutions and products for worldwide IoT application platforms for smart cities. To learn more about AWS for digital government, check out stories from Kansas City, Chicago, Louisville, and other past winners of the AWS City on a Cloud Innovation Challenge. Next, the cloud can save costs compared to on-premises solutions. But according to the 2019 State of the Cloud Report survey, cloud spending is still a challenge for 76% of respondents. In our full blog post, we give you some common pitfalls of cloud spend and link you to cost management tools to help you navigate. Cost optimization can reduce your cloud spend by identifying mismanaged resources, reserving capacity for discounted rates, and right-sizing services to scale. If you've made the move to the cloud, you don't want to miss this post. And finally, from transforming physical space on campuses to adjusting for fluctuating student enrollment, learn about the hottest trends for desktop as a service in education. Educational institutions are turning to desktop as a service solutions, which provide consistent, readily available access to applications on virtual desktops. These services help schools reduce costs and work towards their mission to deliver quality education. Check out our blog write-up for a deeper breakdown of desktop as a service trends and ways you can start implementing them today. Look for links above or below this video to dive deeper into any of the stories from this month's brief, and stay connected with all of your cloud news on the AWS Public Sector blog. If you're enjoying the brief, please drop us a like or share and let us know what stories you'd like to hear about next in the comments. I'm Sarah Worley, and those are your top public sector stories from February 2020. Thanks for watching The Brief.